Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Hillary. I'm a mom to a 3-year-old named Sebastian and a 1-year-old named Zeb. And this is going to be a pack with me video. So, hi guys, how are you? Today, well actually, okay, so tomorrow I am leaving for Rachel's Bachelorette trip. I'm so excited, it's gonna be so much fun. So I am packing, and so I've actually already filmed kind of like putting stuff in the suitcase. I filmed that this morning when the kids were still awake, but I did not look camera presentable. So, didn't show my face. So, filming the intro now. But what you're going to see is all of my outfits. I have outfits for like all of our events. And I'll show you guys the invitation that has like the detailed like itinerary kind of thing of all the stuff we're doing while we're there. We are going to a winery like for like wine stomping. It's going to be so fun. Grape stomping to make wine. Sorry. And then we also have like a picnic, beach picnic brunch type thing. And obviously like some dinners. We're going out one night to like a club, and so I have all of my outfits for all of those things planned, and I showed you guys all of those like laid out so you can see everything that I'm packing. So yeah, let's jump straight into the video and I'll show you all that. Also, I lied. I did tell you guys in the last video that my next video would be my birthday vlog, and that was supposed to go up last week, and I missed an upload because life, chaos. Plus that video is not done yet because it does have GoPro footage, which is just harder to edit because I have to like, yeah, it's been a whole process. Anyways, so that video will be coming soon, but I wanted to go ahead and get this video up for you guys. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say. So I thought I would start with, this is all of my stuff I'm packing as far as clothes and stuff. So this is kind of the itinerary. I made this on Zazzle and put together like a couple of different invitations to kind of create our custom one. So this is kind of like the itinerary of what we're doing. So let me start packing and kind of show you guys all of the little outfits that I'm taking. Okay, so as you can see, Thursday is tomorrow, and that's the day we're driving down and stuff. I don't have this outfit planned or anything yet because it's just what I'm wearing tomorrow. But Friday, so we are going to a beach picnic. We have a company that's doing one of those really cute, I don't know, beach picnic type things. So anyway, so this is kind of the vibe. Our picnic is going to be kind of neutrals and pinks and that kind of stuff. So I just have my normal, the lighting is not super great on this, but, so I just have my normal black bathing suit. I have worn this many a times. It's from Amazon, and then I got this super cute little beach cover up that's kind of like a little dress, and it like buttons all the way down. You can see these really cute button details, and it's also from Amazon. And then the shoes, also Amazon. I will link everything if you're interested. And then I got just this little necklace that I think I'm just going to pair with it. And I don't know where that's from. And then these super cute little studs are actually from Marley Lily. I have several things from Marley Lily, actually. But yeah, so this is kind of my like beach picnic vibe for Friday. And then I'll show you what we're going to wear Friday night when we go out to just like a casual dinner. Okay, so have a little helper. I just put together this outfit for Friday night. Like I said, we're going to a casual dinner at Saltwater Cowboys. So I just have this shirt. It's from Walmart. It's the Time and True brand. I actually wore it on date night when we went pub hunting. I just have this little keyhole, like little necklace. This is actually my mom's. I have no idea where it's from. And then I just have a set of hoops. And then I have my white kind of capri American Eagle jeans. And then these Tory Burch knockoff flip-flops. So this will be kind of our casual. He just cut the fan on. It's his favorite thing to do. Sorry. But this will just be like my casual Friday night outfit. And then Saturday we have a super fun activity. So let me get that outfit laid out and I'll show you guys what we're wearing for that. Okay, so this is all I can show you for Saturday's outfit. We are going to a winery. And so I'm just wearing a white tennis skirt. I have this cute scrunchie. And then I have my same brown sandals. And then I have my cute Marley Lily earrings. And this heart-shaped little diamond necklace. And as far as if you're wondering what shirt I'm wearing with this, we are getting, as part of our like little gifts, cute little matching t-shirts to wear to the winery. We're going to Stomp Grapes. And so our shirts are either going to be this color or this color. Mine's actually going to be the darker color because the Hakuna Moscato is actually my shirt that Rachel got. So all of us are getting different shirts with cute little wine phrases to wear to the winery. So that's going to be my cute little winery outfit. I'm actually really excited about this. This tennis skirt is actually from Kohl's. I got this at the bridal expo I went to with Rachel from David's Bridal. I don't know, but it's a super cute little like flowy scrunchie. And I don't know if I'm going to wear it now that my hair is short again. If you didn't know I cut my hair again, I'll link the video above. But yeah, but so that's kind of that outfit vibe. I'm very excited. It'll be really cute with the shirt. I'm going to like front knot it and stuff. So that is Saturday. And then Saturday night is actually the night we're going to the club. So let me show you that outfit. Okay, so this dress is obviously going to be hard to see exactly what the fit is. I'll put a picture from like the website right here. I got this dress from Amazon. And then the shoes I saw on Leslie Murphy's Travel Less, whatever, from The Bachelor. I saw these on her story one day and she had them paired with jeans. Help her again. And they were super cute, but Rachel had wanted us to wear pink shoes with our black dresses for when we go out for like the actual like club night or whatever. And so I saw these and was like, oh my god, those are the cutest shoes I've ever seen. So I got these, and then I don't really know if I'm gonna actually wear a necklace, but I kind of have this paired with these little, if it'll focus, these little like earrings. They're also from Marley Lily. They were like my free gift or whatever. So I have those paired with it right now because the shoes have kind of like the little gold buckles. So I thought that would tie in all of the gold. But again, I don't know if I'm actually going to wear that just because I don't know if the neckline's going to look weird because that's the neckline with the, like the one shoulder. So this is just kind of what I have and what I'm taking, but I'm not sure if I'm actually going to wear the necklace or not. But yeah, dress is super cute. I'm really excited. This will be a really fun little going out night. And yeah, so that's Saturday. And then Sunday we have a brunch. So let me show you my brunch outfit, and then that'll be all of my basic outfits, and I'll show you guys the rest of the stuff that I'm taking as far as decorations and helping set up and stuff. Okay, so like I said, this is my last outfit. This is a pair of linen pants. These are from Kohl's. They have like the cinched waist or whatever, and this really cute little like, I don't remember what this print is called or like this pattern, but they're super, super cute. They're linen and really comfy. And then I have this tank top, which actually my mom bought for herself, but it didn't like, she didn't like the way it fit. So she gave it to me and it matched perfectly with these pants. So it was like a perfect gift, and it has buttons all the way down and it's super cute. And then this sweater, it's just like a neutral, simple sweater. And I probably won't wear it like to brunch unless it's actually cold, but I wanted to have it because it matches like perfectly. And in case like the car ride home, if I'm chilly or anything, I just want like a cozy sweater to put on, then I have that and it like matches and ties together. But I'll tuck this into the pants, and yeah. And then I just have these little earrings. These are from FabFitFun. So is the sweater if I didn't say. These are just a really cute little diamondy, you know, fun earrings. And then my same little heart necklace that I had. So, oh, and then I'll wear my black, the same Tory Burch sandal, or knockoff Tory Burch sandals. So yeah, so those are my outfits for the trip. I'm really excited. Okay, so I have all my clothes packed in here. Obviously, I didn't mention like my pajamas. It's not focused. My towel. I also have like an extra bathing suit because our house does have a pool. So if we swim any of the nights or whatever, I wanted my black bathing suit for the picnic. We're supposed to wear black. And then obviously just an extra one. So, and then also bras and underwear and stuff. And then this is all the jewelry. So, yay! Suitcase is packed, one step closer. Okay, and then if you're like, why is there a box behind your head? Well, because I'm about to show you guys all of the footage of all of the things I'm taking on the trip. So this box has like a bunch of, I am like helping the maid of honor. Like I have a bunch of party stuff from parties and stuff I've done. So I have a bunch of that kind of stuff. I have like gluten-free food to take for myself since I can't eat all of the same food as everyone else for like some of the meals at the house. And then downstairs I haven't actually filmed and shown you guys, and I probably won't just because it's like really simple things. Like I have my champagne and juice for like toasting. I have all of the stuff for the taco bar. That all is downstairs still. There's some stuff out in the fridge. My alcohol for the weekend. So like all of that kind of stuff I don't actually have to put like in this vlog. I'm not gonna walk downstairs and just like film it. Like it's simple things like taco bar stuff. But obviously like when we get on the trip, I will film and show you guys setting that kind of stuff up. I'm gonna try and do as much vlogging on the trip as possible. I don't know how everyone will feel about being on video, so it might just be like me sharing my version of the trip. We'll play that by ear. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the footage in where I was filming and telling you guys kind of what all is in these boxes. Okay, now I'm just gonna show you all the next like set of stuff that I have. I have even more stuff downstairs, but for now, let's start with this. So this is our Bachelorette scavenger hunt. These are all like little individual cards. I wanted to get them laminated, but that didn't happen. So these are just super cute. I made these on like PowerPoint, but the Google version. So everybody will get one of those. And then there was actually a prize that me and the maid of honor like planned or whatever. So if anybody actually wants to do all of these and whoever wins, they'll get a prize. This is just a sign. I have them in the page protector just so they don't like break or whatever. And then I have a pink paper in here in case it doesn't fit in the frame the right way because she has the frame. That way I can like cut it and piece it together if need be. Same thing with this one. We're putting this in a frame and we're all going to kiss the paper, you know, like with the cute Pinterest thing. Pop a picture in if you don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, so we're going to do that. So I have that one printed. And then this one is I asked my brother a bunch, like I asked him all of these questions. And so what we're going to do is we're going to play this game where we ask the questions. If Rachel answers, so we're going to ask the questions and then we're all going to guess if we think Rachel's going to get it right or wrong. If Rachel gets it right and we guessed right, then we don't have to drink. But if we guess wrong or Rachel gets it wrong, she has to drink. So just going to be a fun game. We're going to play this during our lingerie shower, which takes me to this. So this is her gift. The bag itself is also part of the gift, but it'll be her first thing with her new monogram. I'm really excited about this. My maid of honor gave me a gift like this for my lingerie shower when me and Zach were engaged. And I still have the bag and I love it because it was the very first thing with my new monogram, which if you're from the South, monograms are a really big deal. So yeah, so this is really cute. And then I'm not going to show you what I got just because I don't want to like share the lingerie and stuff that I got for her. I feel like that might make her uncomfortable if she were to like see this or like the whole internet see that like what she has. So anyways, not going to share everything I got her, but that's her gift. And we got, you know, just some fun things and whatnot. And then there's also some stuff from my mom. All of it's just in there as a fun little gift. So that is that stuff. So then, okay, so the toilet paper. Our house only comes with 4 rolls of toilet paper. We're not going to have time to stop on the way down there. So we ask everyone to just bring a roll and then we don't have to like worry about going and getting any. Everyone else probably won't. I'll probably be the only one who followed directions, but that's my type A personality, so. And then, so this is the balloon pump. I need to see if I can find the actual pump piece. But if not, I mean, this does just blow air to blow up the balloons and stuff. And then this is when Rachel did our bridesmaids, like, asking boxes or whatever, she put these in there. So we're all supposed to bring these so that we can toast with these, with our mimosas and stuff, which I actually have downstairs, the other stuff. These are going in the oh shit kits. Ariana, which is the maid of honor, she packed a bunch of stuff. And ordered a bunch of stuff, but I have a bunch of these like extra. So I was like, well, don't order those. I'll just donate the ones from my house or whatever to put in the bags. So I have those. This is because we're doing different breakfasts and foods and stuff, and I need to try and eat as gluten-free as possible because I've been really sick recently. So I'm taking my own bagels, my bagel seasoning. Then I have my pancake mix, my pretzels, granola bars. And then I have both my waffle makers because we are doing a breakfast bar one day. So I have my waffle makers in case we need to use those. So that is this box. Okay, so this box is going to be a little bit chaotic to kind of share. I'm going to try and go like quickly through it. So these are my paper clips. So the first night we are doing a lingerie shower. And so we bought like extra underwear that we're obviously going to give to Rachel. And so we're going to clip those like across the fireplace or whatever to make a cute little banner for like just that night. And then these are just extra trash bags. This is my charcuterie stuff. We're not doing a charcuterie board, but some of like my little like spoons and things like that are just really cute. So I'm taking that for tableware. We've got some plates. I've got a white tablecloth and I have a gold tablecloth down in there somewhere that I'm taking as well. We've got some napkins, just some cute little decor things. We've got cups, plates, servingware. We are doing a taco bar, which I have all that stuff downstairs. So I have the salsa and guac bowls for that. Yeah, so this is all just like more party planning stuff. I am not the maid of honor. I just am helping a lot. And so I don't mind. I love doing stuff like this. So because I throw so many parties, which check out some of my videos if you don't know, I'm really extra. So because I do all of that though, I have extra party stuff. So I volunteered to bring all of these kind of things. And like I said, I still have more stuff downstairs. So I'll show you guys the rest of the stuff when I go get it. But yeah, that's the stuff. Okay, so that is all of the stuff I'm packing for the most part. I will probably, let's see. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna like just make this just a packing video and then start a new vlog tomorrow of actually like loading the car up and stuff. I think that's what I want to do. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This was my packing video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, because like I said, trip vlog coming. And if you are looking for outfits, I will link below as many things as I possibly can that I bought for the trip. I'm a big Amazon, Kohl's person, so that's pretty much where everything's from. Outside of like earrings and necklaces and stuff, a lot of that is FabFitFun or Marley Lily. But like I said, I will link anything I can below. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. But yeah, I'm excited and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!